Hi, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create Canva Instagram posts. So from your Canva homepage, you're going to head on over to your templates. Then in the search bar, we're going to type in Instagram. Then different options will turn up and we're going to click on Instagram posts. So you can filter them further by style and language. So if you have a style in line, you can click on one of those. If not, just have a scroll through the templates. There's hundreds of professionally designed templates that you can edit to your exact needs. You can change the colors, you can add in your own text, change the text font, change the imagery. So don't worry if the Instagram post template is not exactly how you want. Just choose something that aligns with your brand and edit it to whatever you like. So as you hover over each one, you can see some have different pages like this one. So if you want to create like a carousel type post, you can click on one of those, or some of them are just static, like with an image and text. So I'm going to click on this one. I quite like the look of that one. So this one's a good one if you got like a food business and you want to show off what you made lately. So I'm going to click on customize this template. Then you get taken to the editor. Then as you can see, you can scroll through and edit each page. So click on each element. So I can click on the text. I can change up the text, put in whatever you want. You can change the color of the text by clicking on there. Maybe you want it to be a little bit darker. You can add effects to the text. So at the moment it's got a glow, but you can add like shadows or make it echo, make it neon, hollow. There's just so many different options. And you can also change the font. So if you have like a font that you regularly use for your brand, choose what aligns closely with that. Also, of course, you can change up the images. So click and add in your own images, add in your own website, things like that. It's just so easy to do with Canva. So when you're happy with your Instagram post, you just need to give it a name and then click on share. You can download it as a PNG and share it on your Instagram account. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.